Hi everybody, welcome to Physics for today. So today we're going to spend some time on the PhET simulator that some of you might have looked at the other day. If not, that's all right, you'll get your chance today. And then we're going to use some questions from Ohm's Law in our introduction into Ohm's Law. So what you're going to do is I put a link on the Google Classroom for the Colorado Institute PhET program. So go on there, click that play button, and then you're in the lab. So just play around if you haven't had a chance to look at it before for a little bit, and then we're going to get started on what we're doing today. So you're going to play with the program to build these two following circuits. Okay, so use all the symbols and everything to create these two circuits. So then you're going to measure the voltage and current at different positions using the voltmeter and ammeter. So from your measurements, derive a relationship among voltage, current, and resistance. And the relationship that you should come up with is V equals IR, which we'll learn further and discuss further is Ohm's Law. Then you're going to try to make these two circuits. So C is a series circuit, and you might have heard about that before, but you're going to create this series circuit. And then you're going to create D, which is a parallel circuit. Okay, and after you create those with the resistors, you're going to try replacing the resistors with light bulbs and record what you notice regarding voltage, current, and light bulb brightness. So just write down some notes, just see what you notice, put some observations, not really any right or wrong answers. We just want you to see some hands-on applications of this and how you can calculate these numbers. Okay, so spend some time on the simulator, please and thank you, like roughly half an hour. Okay, so then we're going to talk about Ohm's Law. So in 1826, Georg Ohm conducted experiments in resistance and developed the mathematical relationship that now bears his name. So that's Ohm's Law, which is really, when I think about it, Ohm's Law is the biggest thing when it comes to this unit. So that's the potential difference or voltage across a load equals the product of the current I through the load and the resistance R of the load. So V equals IR. So a very, very popular and important formula. So put this down on your formula sheet. So Ohm's Law is limited to metallic conductors at constant temperatures. So now we're going to use Ohm's Law for some problems. So on page 713, we have this problem. What is the resistance of a load if a battery with a 9 voltage potential difference causes a current of 0.45 amperes to pass through the load? Okay, so this question, write out what's given. We are trying to find resistance. What is the resistance? So R is our unknown. Volts. Or voltage, we have that, our potential difference, so 9 volts, and then our current, it gives us that. So this is a very simple equation. Rearrange, we're solving for resistance, so 20 ohms, okay? Now, you're going to do these next few problems, or give them a try on page 714, so 21 to 26. Here are the formulas you'll need to use. This is just some help for number 26, and go from there. Like always, I'll post the answer key. If you have any questions, email me, come to the Google Meet, ask me any questions you have. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.